Hello and welcome. In this session, we'll explore how effective financial management can transform healthcare. By the end, you'll understand key strategies for analyzing and planning finances to drive success in the healthcare sector. Begin by reading the tasks carefully, focusing on every detail. Pay attention to command verbs like explain, define, and describe, aiming for 70 to 100 words. When assessing or examining, expand to 100 to 125 words. For deeper analysis, aim for 150 to 200 words. Remember to use Harvard referencing style throughout your work. Access valuable resources to enhance your understanding of company information and financial ratios. Visit the Anchor Hanover website for historical insights. Explore Kaplan's Knowledge Bank for financial reporting and costing. ACA provides comprehensive resources on budgeting techniques. Utilize these links to deepen your financial management knowledge. Costing systems are crucial for effective financial management. The AAT provides a detailed booklet on various costing methods. Activity-based costing is explored in depth at HKIAAT. Kaplan's Knowledge Bank offers insights into traditional and advanced costing methods. These resources are essential for mastering costing in healthcare. Budgeting is a cornerstone of financial management. Explore different budgeting approaches through Kaplan's resources. ACA provides articles comparing various budgeting techniques. Effective budgeting ensures financial stability and growth. Utilize these resources to refine your budgeting skills in the healthcare sector. Adhere to referencing guidelines to maintain academic integrity. Use Harvard style for all citations. Access resources like Kaplan and Morrison's for financial management insights. Ensure all reproductions comply with licensing terms. This adherence strengthens the credibility of your work. Now, you are equipped with essential strategies to manage finance in the healthcare sector. For any inquiries, please contact us on WhatsApp at 074-84-361-688. We appreciate your attention and look forward to the next session.